C-Spec Kurt, man. I'm outside today with the C63S AMG. You already know what time it is, man. You already know what time it is. First of all, let me go in the trash can here and show you what I had to get, man. Because you got to make sure it's done right. You can't be half-stepping. Can't be half-stepping it, man. All right, so let's see what we got here. All right, check that out. You see that? That's that kicker amplifier wiring kit. You see that right there? Special offer. Kicker extend its warranty by 1 additional year if you purchase with any kicker amplifier installation kit. Installation must be performed by a professional qualified installer. I'm qualified, I'm professional. What the heck? I can't get no extra warranty because of that? What the heck wrong with these folks, man? But anyway, that's what I got, man. I got the 1500 watt full gauge 17 footer, 100 amps, 100 oxygen free copper, full AWG. So as you can see right here, I got my cable ran. As you can see, that's 4 gauge wire right there. Battery is in the trunk. This right here is the Mercedes AMG, man. I got the kicker amp right here, the CXA 1200.1. Let's go check that box out over here. 2400 watt max. All right, you see that 2400 watt max, man. You can stand the amplifier up sideways like that, or you can lay it down like that. I'm trying to debate on how I want to stand it up. I mean, I like the look of it standing up like that, but I don't know. We're gonna see. I mean, you know, this thing right here like to hit them corners pretty hard. So the less inertia we have on that amp standing up, the better, I guess. But the amplifier wiring kit came with my ground wire, 4 gauge. Came with the power wire. It came with speaker wire right here, kicker speaker wire, and it also came with the Came with the audio cable. I got my line converter. All right, because you know we're gonna have to tap into some audio from a speaker and get that preamp to the amplifier. I also ordered me a bass knob. All right, so we're gonna have that hooked up. Let's take it out so you can see it better. I got my bass knob right here. I'll mount that somewhere up under the dash or something. We'll get it mounted somewhere though. There we go. There we go. All right. We got our cable. Let me go ahead and run this cable while I got my paneling out. I'm glad I just thought about that. I've been pulling all this stuff out again. I just ran my remote wire from up front, and I started putting my stuff back together. But it's not a good idea to do that if I gotta run this wire also. So I'm going to go ahead and run this remote wire also somewhere up here. All right, so this is what you do. This is the remote wire for the amplifier. All right, so I ran that. This is where you want to tap in for your accessory voltage. I got my radar detector here, and I got my amplifier remote wire here. Run that thing along the side right there, straight up through there. And the best way to pop these panels out, pull out your installation so that you can have eyes on it. You just take a flat tip screwdriver, put it underneath the little plastic and prop it up out of there on each one. Do the same thing here. You can yank this one up straight up, it'll come right out. And yeah, this little panel right here is where your fuse box is. Just pop it open with a screwdriver or something blunt so that it's not messing anything up. And let's see. All right, so I'm gonna lift this back up right here so that I can run my remote wire. You just grab it like so, just pull it out like that. Not remote wire, but so that I can run my own my base wire. As you can see how I have my remote wire routed up under here. So like this right here, that's a little tab right there. I need to make sure I get that connected back in there. That wasn't connected. I need to make sure that's back in there so that it's not standing up or anything. And this right here, that's what I missed too. I gotta make sure that's pushed up in there right there. Don't miss that stuff. All right. All right. to my amplifier again. We pushing this American-based subwoofer. That was my own buy two get one free thing right there. You know, I bought two for the truck. Boom. Next thing you know, I got a third one coming in the mail. So you know, I'm like, okay, go and order a box for the Mercedes. Let's throw that third one in the Mercedes. So I ordered this box from Visual Ice on eBay. He custom made these fiberglass boxes. Just hit his channel up, let him know what you got, the speaker specs, and he can make it a little deeper to accommodate like he did this speaker right here. And this thing fits in here nice and snug. Got Velcro on the back of it to make it hold up in there, and it comes also with a little bracket that you can mount inside the box that goes through the box into the firewall. But don't need all that. This thing is sitting in there snug, and I've been hot dogging my whip. It ain't went nowhere, so we should be good. All right, so yeah, that's what we got right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and run my bass preamp wire, and we're gonna go from there. So just stay tuned. It's your boy C-Spec Kurt. Boy. And check it out, I got my remote wire. I'm running it through here. I got it through here so far. I'm just gonna put that door seal back, and I got it back here. All right, I got this white piece popped up. I used 2 flat tips on each side to pop it up. And let's see, I'm tucking my wire right beneath the carpet right there, as you can see. Running it right along here. I'm trying to see about getting it on the other side of this paneling here. It's kind of hard to without moving the seat out the way so that I can have space. What's up, fam? It's your boy C-Spec Kurt, man. I'm out here in the garage, man, getting frustrated as whatever, but as you know, I'm out here doing what I do. All right, so you know, I located my subwoofer wire. I was tapped into these little surround speakers right here, but I don't think that's enough for what I got going on. I wasn't getting anything, wasn't nothing happening back here. So yeah, you see that? Click, click, snip, snip. Yeah, I snipped the subwoofer wire. This right here is a subwoofer that's at the driver's side, at the where your feet are, right behind the carpet. There's a subwoofer right there. This is what the pink one is for, and I believe the purple one is for the other subwoofer, which is probably on the passenger side or somewhere in that area. But I'm about to get this connected into my line converter, and we're gonna go from there. So stay tuned. What up, gang? What it do, man? It's your boy C-Spec Kurt. I'm out here in this garage, man. You know, a lot of things untranspired since the last time. Well, all in one video. So last clip you saw where I said I'm getting ready to hook this up. Well, I had got my line converter hooked up, and then I went to test everything out, and nothing was working, and it will only work with this bass control knob out. I had to have the cord in. Now, rather it was connected on the other side, that didn't matter, but this cord had to be in the amp for it to work. So it was a open box item from Best Buy. I returned the amplifier, ordered another amplifier, brand new, which was $50 more. I get it here today in the mail. It's considered, it was sold to me as new, but as you can see right there, it's not new. It's got, you can see where it's been mounted already. The amplifier has been mounted already. It has sweat palm marks on it, like dried up sweat. You can see that right there. That's where somebody had their sweaty palms on it. A whole bunch of salt and whatever done collected and dried up there. All 4 mounting pedestals got screw marks on them from where the amp has been mounted. You can see here on the bottom of the amplifier, look how rubbed off that is right there. You can't even see the model number on that thing. It's completely rubbed off from where it's been mounted already. So I'm kind of at a dismay at how Best Buy would send me something that's sold to me as new. It's not even new. The box didn't even come with an owner's manual. At least the one that was used came with an owner's manual. This one ain't come with an owner's manual. It did come with a bracket down here at the bottom for it to stand up. But yeah, I mean, they sold me an amplifier that's clearly used, and they sold it to me as new. So I'm disappointed in that. Very disappointed in that. I expect better. But anyway, everything's going pretty good though. When you get your line converter in there, make sure you set your gain levels on this line converter so that you can kind of get that baseline input to your sub. If it's too low, you're going to definitely notice that. when you're making adjustments at your radio, at your head unit. So you want to go ahead and get that bass line gain set on your line converter. And yeah, we're gonna go from there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna go ahead and get everything else set up in here. Then we'll go ahead and see if I can get this amp mounted up. And then I'm gonna determine how much cable I need to cut. As you can see, I got a lot of power cable, and I'm not gonna need it because the battery is right here. So yeah, don't need all of that. I mean, I could technically. Where's the fuse at? The fuse is right here. Let's see. Out the battery. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, anyway. But yeah, stay tuned, man. I'm coming back to you. And man, oh man, wait till I show you how I got the truck. I hooked the truck up. Did all that yesterday. Man, the thing turned out great. And it beats like crazy. I'm like, oh my gosh. In the truck. 2 of those in the truck. Sounds freaking crazy. I was like, oh my God. Alright, guys. But stay tuned, though. Alright, peace. Alright, gang, check it out. I got all of my flooring back in the trunk. As you can see, it's coming along pretty good. That's just the problem right here. You know, I'm getting ready to mount my amplifier. I wanted to look clean as possible. I was debating on drilling a few holes and having the wire come up through this panel here. But, you know, when I think about having to remove this, if I have to, that's too much work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little notch here. Nice little notch. Nothing too serious. I'm going to cut that out. I don't know. I might not do that either, because it's pretty thick and I don't want it to be looking butchered. I have to use an angle grinder or something to cut that if I do decide to go that route. But I'm working on getting a clean look back here, guys. So give me a minute. Let me ponder on this. Man, oh man, oh man. Check it out. Finally got my amplifier installed along with my American-based subwoofer, as you can see. Nice clean install. This right here is pretty much just thick cardboard, man. Just real thick cardboard. I'll show you, matter of fact, what it looked like over here. That's it right there. Like a honeycomb type cardboard. Very thick, firm. But yeah, everything turned out awesome. Just wrapped it up. But just want to bring that to you, man. Let you guys see what's involved with installing the amplifier into your Mercedes C63 or any other Mercedes with your factory head unit. As you saw, we had to plug in, snip into that subwoofer wire, which is going to the factory amplifier, and make it happen from there, man. But anyway, it's your boy C-Spec Kurt. Woo, tired. Your boy is finished. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel. In the meantime, I'm out of here, y'all. Peace. Alright, gang, so as you can see, I got it all in there. Easy peasy. Ran the wires along the side, low key. Nice and clean over here, low key, you can see. Made a little notch over there for the wires that go underneath this panel here, so it won't be bulging up. But I'm about to run, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's your boy. Alright, peace.